can't really make many cocktails without at least a little bit of sugar. The palate nowadays is inherently a little sweeter, and the bittering agents and the number of different acids we're putting into cocktails needs to be checked by some kind of sweetener. I'd say 80 to 90% of the cocktails on our menu have some form of sugar, so it's a necessary part. Most of your cocktails are going to have a few different parts. You're going to have a base spirit. If it's a sour, you're going to have a citrus modifier. Or if it's a stir drink, you might have some kind of lengthening modifier. Almost every one of these times, you're going to need some kind of a sweetening agent to bring the acidity back and make it palatable. Or you're going to want to add some sweetness to that lengthener to just enrich the mouthfeel of the cocktail. There's a number of different things you can get from fermentation. Aside from the flavor and obviously the byproduct, which is alcohol, you're going to get an endless amount of textures. You can really play with the mouthfeel of a cocktail or a dish through fermentation. If you don't have a mocktail on your menu, you're leaving a lot of people out there unhappy. There's a lot of people that want to come and have a great time with friends and family but don't want to enjoy alcohol. It's a really nice way to make someone feel involved and part of the celebration. Since we put mocktails on our menu, I've been super surprised just how many get ordered. Most groups of 5 or more that come into the Roosevelt Room at least order 1 or 2 mocktails. I don't think it's a growing trend. I think everyone has always offered mocktails. I think the trend is growing to refine these drinks. Mocktails historically have been a Shirley Temple or something like that, and now we're making really great cocktails, just sans the booze.